ServiceNow is redefining the contact center experience to help reduce call volume and resolution times, all while improving the customer experience. How? ServiceNow's Cloud Call Center solution combines Amazon Connect's conversational AI technology with ServiceNow's best-in-class IT workflows and service desk capabilities. Cloud Call Center enables you to create new employee experiences and unlock productivity for agents. You can automate support to tackle the most common IT service requests, like password resets, incident status checks, and account unlocks. By bringing a natural language experience and call deflection to your call center support, you can deliver IT support better, faster, and cheaper. Listen to how Grant's requests are handled effectively without an agent.
Hello Grant, welcome to ServiceNow. I see Wi-Fi is down in the San Diego office. Please note that we are aware of the situation and working on it. If this is why you're calling, you may hang up now.
Grant also has a request to unlock his account. Instead of navigating a complex phone tree and waiting on hold for a human agent, he can make his request now.
How can I help you today?
Please unlock my account.
Your account has been unlocked.
And while he's still on the phone, Grant can check on an open status request. The solution can even collect information to pass along to a human agent that can help resolve the issue quicker. Here's how it works.
Your last reported incident, with title, Laptop is broken, is currently marked as new. Would you like to add a comment for the agent?
Yes.
Please provide a comment.
I'm leaving on a flight tomorrow and would like to collect my new laptop from the tech lounge as I pass the office.
At any time, the caller can ask to speak with a human agent.
Do you need help with something else?
Yes.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to escalate. Please connect me with an agent.
Once the call is transferred to a human agent, ServiceNow's agent workspace will show who's calling, all of Grant's incident history, including what was discussed prior to the call being transferred. Live agents can start from a point of intelligence to better support the customer. In this situation, Grant has escalated a previous ticket. An activity log highlights the conversation the user had with the Cloud Call Center prior to being transferred. And with Agent Assist, the human agent will automatically be provided with recommended actions from the ServiceNow knowledge base that can help resolve the issue sooner. Greater support capacity, higher service quality, omni-channel engagement, cloud-based deployment, and lower costs. The future of IT contact centers is already here. ServiceNow and Amazon Connect are revolutionizing IT support and helping you make your world of work better. Get it today. Find it on the ServiceNow store.